Hello everybody. Today we'll start programming C. How to code your program. In this lecture you will become familiar with the basics component of C program. Okay? Explore simple data type, discover how to use arithmetic. Read only. Okay, read it. C, it's imperative language, which is mean we must tell it exactly how to do that, or how to do what, and how to do this code or this code or this code, this problem or this problem. Okay? Which library to use, when to add a new line, when to an instruction is finished, and blah, 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 blah. So it's imperative language. Imperative language means we must do everything. We must do everything. Okay? Okay. Introduction, computer program, it's sequence of statements designed to accomplish some task. Okay, programming, planning, creating a program. Programming language, a set of rules, symbols, and special words. C. A C program is a collection of one or more subprograms called functions. A subprogram or function is a collection of statements that, when activated or executed, returns something. Every C program has a function called the main function. Okay. Example here. A simple program in C, printing a line of text on the screen. Include, hash, number, include, standard input output.h, enter, open the main body, end space main, open the braces and close the braces. Optional, we can write return 0 or no. It's optional now. In the newest compiler, the printf, open braces, parentheses, between quotation, we write what you want to display, and \n, it's a new line. Okay? It's a repetition on the last lecture. The output will be like this. Okay, I like programming in C, press any key to continue. Press any key to continue, the C free will give us that. Okay, because we have here \n, means a new line, give that new line. Okay. Standard input output.h, it's standard library for input output library, for it's called header file. So the first thing in any programming language, not C only, any programming language, the first thing is to import the library that you want to use. Import the dictionary, the library, the dictionary. Okay? In C, hash include less than standard input.h bigger than. This statement is to import the header file, the standard library for input output, IO input output statements. Then we must open the main function to write the code inside it, not outside it, inside it. Int main, begin of program, okay? Start of segment or start of body, and close the segment, end of segment. Here, inside the body of main code, we write our codes, okay? Like here, printf, to print what is the inside to the screen. \n, it's a new line. Insert a new line. Don't forget end of statement, semicolon, end of statement. Don't forget it. For each statement, we must put semicolon. for each statement in C. Okay? Example, here, printf, I like programming in C \n, semicolon, printf, C is a very nice language, \n, the output will be here, like this. I like programming in C. C is a very nice language, \n here, new line, new line. The sentence of press any key to continue, it's from C3. Variables. The variables in C, okay, is a memory location that holds a value. Every variable should have a name called identifier. And variable name or identifier is used to reference a memory location. Example, to define any variable, you must first define which type it is. Data type, variable name, semicolon. Example, int x, semicolon, float y, char z, which is mean int, it's integer, numbers without a decimal. So we define x here, we declare, we make here declaration and define the variable x as integer. So x will be only integer number, numbers without decimal number, decimal. Float y, float it's decimal numbers, okay? So we define y as float number with decimal parts. Z, it's a char, the type of char. This variable is not number, it's character. Char, it's character. So char represent characters such as A, B, C, any symbols, okay? Okay, you got it here? الكل واضح لهون؟ ماشي بسرعة هلا بدي أعمل لكم ديمو. I am going fast here because I will make demo in C3, okay? I will test it, all this thing in the C3, okay? Any question here? No. Good. Example here, int x, semicolon, float y, okay? Now, I can initialize the value of any variables I want. So, example here, int x, semicolon, x equal 3, semicolon, float y, semicolon, y equal 5.14. Can we create variables and give them values in the same statement? Yes, we can. Or we can write away, int x equal 3. We can do it that, okay? Or float y equal 5.14, okay? We can split it in two lines or in the same line. Here, in the memory, int x equal 3, float y equal 5.14. In the memory, we have here x and y. This is address in the memory, okay? We don't care about this, okay? Inside the memory, x equal to 3 and y equal 5.14. It is inside the memory, okay? Now, if I change the value, first I initialize x to be 3, y to be 5.14. If directly write in دغري وراهم x equal 7, semicolon, y equal y minus 1. So what would happen to 3? What will happen to 5.14 to y? The new value of x will be 7. The new value of y will be old value of y, 5.14, minus 1. So the first values x, 3, y, 5.14 will be x equals 7. We'll replace it, we'll remove the old value and replace it by 7. The same, y equal, new y will be equal y minus 1, 4.14. So it will replace it, okay? Over. Any question here? Any question?
No, not.
Okay. Now, if I want to print them to the screen.
الفكرة
تفضل.
please.
Yeah.
استعيد على الفكرة please.
Okay. بالعربي in Arabic I will repeat in Arabic. لما نحن نعرف لما نعرف بحيلا variable x and y بحيلا values like here, then in the code بعدين بالكود جينا قلنا x equal 7 y equal y minus 1, so overwrite it. So in the memory the old value of x equal 3, the new value will be equal to 7, so overwrite it. We remove 3 and put 7, the operating system. Okay, do that. So we remove 3 and put 7 inside, overwrite it. Okay, so for each variable has only one cell in memory, okay, it's not a list or arrays. Later on we'll see them. So كل variable عنده memory location واحد. We have only one memory location. When you overwrite another value, so we'll delete it and a new value will become. Okay? وضحت؟ Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Now we want to print the new values on the screen. So we put this to printf. Printf, parenthesis, semicolon, between quotation, the value of x is %d, \n, x. The value of y is %f, \n, y. What does mean that? %d and %f are called conversion specifiers. Okay, I will explain it. %d is used to replace an integer variable. %f is used to replace a float variable. So between quotation, okay, the C compiler will print, or the command printf will print everything inside between quotation. So the value of x is, we cannot put by hand 3 or 5 or 7. We cannot. So the x is variable here. Okay. So the comma x here هون محل %d بموقع بالبليس %d رح تيجي قيمة الاكس وتيجي محلها بكما x. When we put comma x, okay, so the value of x will be replaced here, will be moved to here instead of %d. %d means go to memory. %d means go to memory and locate x and send me the value of x and put it here. In Arabic, %d هي إشارة للسي كومبايلر إنه روح على الميموري، go to memory، روح على الميموري، فتش على الاكس، search on x، اوكي، جيب لي الفاليو، get the value، جيب الفاليو and put it here محل هيدي %d. هلا %d لأنه الاكس انتجر، بنحط %d، والواي لأنه الواي float بنحط %f. So f for float number, d for integer number. So the screen will be here. Okay. The value of x is, instead of %d, we have the value of x. The value of y is, instead of %f, we have the value of y. Okay? Okay? So, this printf is the second method. We have two methods in printf. First method only write between quotation and will display on the screen. The second method of printf is comma variables. So go to memory and print it on the screen. وضحت الفكرة هون شوي؟ Guys.
Yes.
وضحت؟ اوكي. هيدي هلا كوماند ثاني عم نتعلم اليوم. Another command is %d %f. Okay? Okay. Inside the printf. Okay. We we finish here. So شايفين الشاشة؟ Did you see the screen here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. فتحنا C3, we open C35. We'll make the demo here now. Okay. C35, click on a new file. Okay. And write our code. Include standard input output dot h, enter, int space main, open close parentheses, open close braces, return 0, semicolon. Okay, so we must write here. So first thing, print f semicolon welcome to C backslash n, okay, and here backslash t, okay. Save it. Okay, dot C. Build, compile it. If there is error, no new line, warning. We have warning, 0 error, 1 warning. No new line at end of file. Okay. Okay. Run it. Build run or F5 or here. هلا شايفين شاشة السوداء طالعة؟
Yes.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Look here. Properties. Okay. نكبرها. صارت أكبر يمكن أحسن شوي. Okay. Look here. printf will print between quotation. Welcome. We have here 8 space. Okay. Backslash t will give us between 5 and 8 space. Okay. To C. Backslash n means a new line. Press any key to continue. Okay. That is enter. ظهر. Okay. Any question for this now?
مش اوقات 5 اوقات 8.
Sorry.
مش اوقات بتكون سبيس 5 اوقات 8.
depend على كم كاركترز بالسطر. depend على كم سنتنس كم وورد كتبها بالسطر. اوكي. السطر بيساوي 25 كاركتر فهو بقسمهم اللي تطلع equivalent فبقسمهم بيطلع بين 5 و8. ايام 5 ايام 6 ايام 7 ايام 8. اوكي. بين 5 و6 بس بيطلع كلهم قد بعضهم يعني. هو تابلر بيطلع شكله مثل التيبل similar to table. اوكي. اوكي. هلا welcome to C. اوكي. طيب اوكي. Another command here. The value of x equal %d. كما هون باكسلاش ان. اوكي. كما هحط هون الاكس عرفناها فوق. عرفنا اكس فوق. اذا if we put x here.
لا.
اوكي. save. ما عرفنا حطيت لنا error. we have error here. الايرور بقول لنا هون على طول لما يكون في عندنا different errors. اوكي. always see the first, check the first error, not the others. Only the first error. Okay? Because maybe one error gives us 10 errors. We have here 3 errors, but we have only one error here. Okay? So first error said undeclared first use in this function x. ما شايفه x undeclared ما شايفه ما عرفها. فالاكس لازم نعرفها صح؟ لازم نعملها ديكلاريشن. لازم نقول له للسي الاكس شو هي؟ شو نوعها؟ انتجر، فلوت، كاركتر. لازم نخبر السي هذا الامبيراتيف لانجوج. امبيراتيف لانجوج معناتها نحن بدنا نخبر السي كل شيء كل شيء كل شيء، هو ما بيعرف شيء، نحن بدنا نقول كل شيء. اوكي وضحت الفكره؟ فالاكس هون ما عرفها، فشو بدي له هون؟ بدي قبل البرنت اف قبلها بدي اقول له int x equal to 5 semicolon. اوكي اوكي now save compile zero error run. So welcome to see the value of x equal to 5. Okay, as you can see here int x equal 5 ما بتنطبع على الشاشه، it's inside the memory. هون عرفنا we declare x declaration of x as integer type initialized by 5 inside the memory. هون فتنا على الميموري، هون we are هون we save or we declare declaration of x inside memory. اوكي اوكي هلا جينا كمان حطيت print f ثاني the value of y percent d equal هون 6. فينا نعمل هيك؟ can we؟
لا لازم اعرف واي.
الواي ما استعملتها variable هون الفاريبلز between quotation اكتب اللي بدك اياه. الواي هون between quotation it's not variable it's text only. صار الواي والاكس inside the quotation it's not variable. الفاريبلز هن بعد الكما after the comma هن الفاريبلز. اوكي are the variables. here x عرفنا x declare. here y بس 6. yes we can write this compile zero error play. so what is the difference here? what is the difference? شايفين كيف شاشه سوداء ايه؟ عم بحركها شايفينها انتم صح؟ اوكي؟ مبينه؟ ايه كثير منيح. So welcome to see backslash t backslash n the value of x equal 5. ال 5 اجت من memory. هون the value of x equal percent d backslash n x. هون here the C compiler السي راح على الميموري فتش على الاكس لقى الاكس شو قيمتها 5 جابها حطها محل البرسنت دي اجت لهم. اوكي حطها محل. بثالث برنت اف ذا فاليو اوف واي ايكوال تو 6 هون في برسنت دي يعني في رقم بده ينحط برسنت دي في رقم بده ينحط. راح بعد الكلمه لقى 6 لقى كونستنت ما في ميموري هون نو ميموري كونستنت فاليو سو جيت ات اند ريبليس هير جاب الست وحطها هون. اوكي وفينا نعمل هيك x times 5 6 plus 3 فينا نحط expression هون فينا نحط equations expression here. اوكي save run it as you can see x equal 25. it's not x it's x times 5. okay x equal to 5 times 5 equal 25. so الاكس الجوا the x the inside between quotation it's only text it's not a variable it's a text. the variable is the outside the quotation comma here we have x هون في variables x times 5 25 6 plus 3 9. okay so inside the printf we can make any expression we want okay if we want here percent f float number and leave it 6 plus 3 and leave it this will give us zeros. Why? The value of y equals 0.0s. Why this happened? No error. As you can see, if we compile it, no error, okay? But no output, wrong output. We have here wrong output. No error, wrong output. Okay. Who tells me? ليه اعمل هيك؟ أول شيء الايرورز بس اعمل تشيك كومبايل هير فور ايرورز اتس syntax ايرور بيفتشنا على السانتاكس ايرور ما بيفتشنا على اللوجيك ايرور. No one can solve your logic error. في عندنا هون logic error. logic error هون عم نقول له بدي احط هون float number %f يعني float number but جمعت تو integer هون 6 زائد 3 هو integer 6 integer زائد 3 integer okay 6 plus 3 will give us integer okay so we must do this okay 3.0 so integer 6 is integer plus float number integer plus float number give us float number. Now it's true 9.000 it's true. We can also put here something like this okay will give us something like that okay so it must be this expression float number to begin okay okay or we can write like this float y equal any number you want 6.8 let's say semicolon and put here just y okay here put just 5 so save it compile it 0 error run okay will give us this okay any question for now for this also we can declare char z okay char z equal to between quotation characters we put it in the quotation equal a okay the char equal a here the value of z equal %c for char character we put c z okay save it compile it run it الزد اعطينا ايرور ما اعطينا محل الزد شيء اوكي في محل الزد غلط اوكي بس زيرو ايرور هون اذا عملنا كومبايل زيرو ايرور فعندنا خطا هون ما بنحطها جوات كوتيشن بنحطها سنجل كوت اوكي مش دبل كوتيشن سنجل كوت سيف compile zero error run now we'll display the character A so we have here int x equal to 5 integer x we declare the variable x as integer initialize it by 5 we declare the y variable as a float and put the value 6.8 as a float number. Now the z variable will be char type, character type, and put inside it single quotation A or B or any one. Add, okay, hash number, whatever. Okay, we save it, run it. So will give us hash number. Okay. Okay. Did you get it? واضحة لهون؟
واضحة دكتور.
كثير منيح. اوكي كثير منيح. هلا في another symbol command we can put like this here backslash and write your comment here y is float okay you can write your commands in two different ways 2 backslash okay just at the beginning of the line 2 backslash or 1 backslash star and write as you want star backslash what is the difference The difference is, okay, if I want to make a paragraph comment, okay, I want to make this is a command for C program, okay, 2-line command. Okay, instead we put 2 here and 2 here. Okay, if it's 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines commands, instead we put for each line double quotation. So we can make here and blah 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 star backslash. Okay, so it's better to use backslash star backslash for big commands, for paragraph commands. Okay, we can use this. Okay, any question? Any question?
No, كله واضح.
Perfect. Okay. X5, Y 6.6. Okay. Can we write this? The sum of X and Y is عم نجمع هون we make some integer plus float. The answer will be integer plus float. شباب عم نجمع integer float. Okay, so first %d is for X, comma here. The second %d is for Y, comma. The third %f is the summation of them. So X plus Y. We can write this. First %d is for X, comma X, comma X. Second %f, comma Y. Third %f, the answer will be comma X plus Y, or times, or minus, or division, whatever you want. Okay? Okay, so save it, compile it, run it. As you can see here, the sum of X equal to 5, replace %d, and Y equals 6.8888 is 11.8. Okay? So here, we can add or subtract or multiply or divide, whatever you want. Okay? Whatever you want. Or we can put this. Float sum equal X plus Y. We can do this and replace X plus Y here by S. We can define another variable called S and make an assignment expression. Here we have an assignment. S equal X plus Y. We look if it's true. Okay, run it. The same will give us the same answer. Okay, it will give us the same answer. So you have many ways to do that. We can write it inside the printf, or we can define another variable S equal X plus Y and put here S. I prefer the first one. I prefer if we have summation, multiplication, whatever, I prefer to put it in the printf. To preserve memory space. Okay? حتى ما احجز variables بالميموري كتير. Okay? خلي الميموري empty. Okay. We have less than 1 minute to finish. Any question for now? Any question?
لكن واضح.
واضحين؟ واضح عندكم؟ سهل السي؟ صار سهل؟
سهل.
Okay. هاخد الشات، سيف الشات. اوكي I will stop. Okay, I will stop the recording.